First of all, this thing they call bottom up. What are they bottoming up? We know this thing called bottom up in the economy of Kenya was started by District Focus for Rural Development. I was one of the participants. But why the District Focus for Rural Development failed is because there was lack of structures to implement it. And that is why we have been fighting and struggling to get the structure for people, for development to reach the grassroots.
Ruto continued to oppose the constitution that was enacted. He said this constitution is not good for Kenya. And I'd hope that Ruto, when he comes to government, will make proposition to change that constitution, to make it the way he wanted. But because he's dishonest, because he's a liar, and the only truthful thing about him is the hunt for political power. The only thing that he wants is political power.